My sisters and brothers, when you reach a point in life where everything you relied on starts to fade away, friends grow distant, wealth loses its shine, plans fall apart, you begin to realize that the things you thought were permanent were never meant to last. It is in those moments of emptiness and loss that you truly understand the meaning of turning to Allah. Because when Allah is all you have, you begin to see that He was all you ever needed. People may disappoint you, promises may be broken, and the world may feel cold. But the one who created your heart knows exactly how to heal it. His mercy does not expire, His love does not fade, and His power has no limits. When you stop clinging to temporary things and start anchoring your heart to Allah, you feel a sense of security that no storm can shake. You realize that even in your darkest hours, you are never truly alone. The world can take away your comfort, but it cannot take away your faith unless you let it. And when your faith is strong, you can walk through the fire of trials and still come out purified, not burnt. Sometimes Allah allows things to be taken from you not to punish you, but to protect you. He removes the illusions you were holding on to so that you can hold on to Him instead. You might think you have lost everything, but in reality, you have just been redirected to the only one who will never leave you. That's why those who have Allah in their hearts are the richest people, even if they own nothing in their hands. They carry peace in their soul that no money can buy and no thief can steal. We often forget that the Prophet Muhammad ﷺ and his companions faced extreme hardships, poverty, loss, exile, and persecution. Yet their strength came from their unshakable connection to Allah. They knew that as long as they had Him, they had everything. This is the same mindset we must strive for. To stand in prayer when your eyes are filled with tears, to whisper, Ya Allah, when your voice trembles, and to trust His plan when you cannot see the way forward. That is true strength. So if you are feeling broken, if the world has turned its back on you, remember this. Having Allah means having everything. He will fill the emptiness in your heart. He will guide you through the confusion. And He will give you what is best for you, even if it looks nothing like what you imagined. When Allah is all you have already found the greatest treasure you will ever possess.